Hey everyone, welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 34 Amazon leads. So 33 coming from our Amazon online arbitrage leads and one coming from our retail arbitrage leads. So all in all, 34. So let's check some samples from our OA leads today. There goes starting from Boots. So we got a lot, so 9 deals. So let's check some of the last deals that we got. Starting with this Neve Fab 2% hyaluronic acid gel cream that you could earn a profit of 6.77 with an ROI of 68%. And this Lumine Invisible Illumination Instant Glow Serum with a profit of 11.16 and an ROI of 112%. So just two deals with high profit and ROI that you could get. So check out all the rest of the available items that we got and stored for you. Here are the freshly sourced websites that you should check. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channel. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, feel free to check out all these channels to know more about what we offer. And then we got a bot operated channel for you guys, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. If you're into flipping, feel free to check this channel out because you could see here all the latest deals or price drops from Amazon that you could check if it's fitting your criteria. Another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from these websites. Let's check this one from Argos as sample 50% price drops, from Boots 70, 50%, and many more. So a variation of price drops that you could see here. So check out all the rest of the channels and available price drop leads that we got. And lastly, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and of course share achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye everyone!